Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, precisely 25 feet from a flat wall. It is important to ensure your tire pressure is correct and your fuel tank is approximately half full for an accurate reading. Also, clean your headlights thoroughly to get the best beam measurement. Finally, mark the center of each headlight on the wall using masking tape. Now let's find those adjusters. Open your vehicle's hood to access the headlight assemblies. You will typically find two adjustment screws or bolts behind each headlight. One controls vertical movement and the other handles horizontal. If you are unsure, consult your owner's manual. Next, turn on your low beams and cover one headlight with a towel to focus on a single beam. For vertical adjustment, use a screwdriver or socket wrench on the appropriate screw. Turning it clockwise typically raises the beam, while turning counterclockwise lowers it. Adjust the beam until the top of its most intense part is at or just below the horizontal tape line you made. This crucial step ensures you can see clearly without blinding other drivers on the road. Next, adjust the horizontal screw until the most intense part of the beam aligns with the vertical tape line, or slightly to the right. Once satisfied, uncover both headlights and verify that both beams are even and properly aligned. Finally, take your vehicle for a night test drive to confirm the proper aim and ensure your headlights do not cause glare for oncoming traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.